But it's okay. At least, very intriguing siya kasi di ba, ano bang nangyayari behind closed doors?
Exactly.
So yun ang dapat nilang abangan.
Open to interpretation, but we're gonna leave it there because we wanna make sure we watch and we catch all the drama and the mga pasabog nitong bagong offering ninyo. So we wish you luck and congratulations. And last quick message, Jordan.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you sa Prime Video. Thank you for sa GMA for joining forces with Prime Video for the very first time, I believe, for GMA Network. Thank you very much, Marian. Na umuo ka, alam ko mapili ka sa mga proyekto mo. I think you chose the perfect project for this year, for the next probably couple of years ulit, para wala namin ulit makita. And I hope you guys will enjoy it when it finally comes out.
Well, definitely, thank you, Direk. Actually, short kwento lang. Si Direk kasi siya yung mga ginampanan kong mga iconic roles ko. Siya talagang nag-direct sa akin. So finally, reunited kaming dalawa dito. At masarap siguro na nagdi-direct sa'yo yung kilalang-kilala ka dahil ninong siya ng anak ko. So, sobrang excited ako to work with Direk Dom again. And salamat and sobrang excited ako. Finally, after 2 years, guys, I'm back.
That's a great way to start this off. So with that, give it